Welcome to a quick guide on optimizing your phone for the ultimate gaming experience. First, punch up the power with high performance mode. If your device supports it, this can give your gaming that extra smoothness. Next, crank up your screen refresh rate. Go for 90 Hz or 120 Hz if possible, but beware, your battery might feel the pinch. In the game settings, adjust your graphics to match your phone's capabilities. Choose from low, medium or high for the perfect balance. Got background apps hogging your resources? Close them down and free up that precious RAM. If you're in it for the long haul, keep your phone cool to avoid overheating. You might also want to switch on battery saver mode if endurance is more your game. Consider using a dedicated game mode or do not disturb mode if available to keep your focus sharp and interruptions minimal. Always keep your phone and gaming apps updated for the latest optimizations and bug fixes. For online gaming, a stable, fast internet connection is key. Wi-Fi is your friend here. Finally, disable notifications to keep your gaming sessions distraction-free. Remember, these are general tips. Optimal settings can vary, so don't be afraid to explore and experiment. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, do subscribe and share. Until next time, happy gaming!